Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Plants vs Zombies 2 game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, just tap on the search button and then type in Plants vs Zombies 2 and begin your search. Once you find the Plants vs Zombies 2 game, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the game within your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the play button you can tap on it to open up the game right away. And now you can start enjoying the Plants vs Zombies 2 game on your smartphone right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Plants vs Zombies 2 on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.